Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Online Guru. So today is the day 7 class. Today we are going to discuss the very important topic, that is the access modifiers in Java. So what is the name suggesting? Access modifiers means some word that allows the accessibility of something. See, this is what is the word? This is access, means some accessibility is needed. Suppose we are going to create a class. Okay, class A is created, and in this we are going to discuss. We are going to create int a equal to 10. So what does this mean? This variable can be accessed by which of the classes, subclasses, other classes. Means what is the accessibility of this variable is decided by what? By the access modifiers. You must have heard about the public static void main, the main method. The public was the access modifiers. Okay. So let us discuss about the definition. What is the definition? The access modifiers in Java specifies what is this, what it specifies: the accessibility or the scope of a field, constructor or class. Means it specifies the field, method and constructor or class is accessible to what extent. I think you remember in the last class we have discussed about the hierarchy. There is a package, below the package there is a class, and below the class there is a method. Remember? So here we are going to discuss about the accessibility of the variable is up to class only, or up to package only, or up to the different packages also. Suppose this is package A, there is also package B. So the accessibility of the field, method, constructor or class is access to which of the packages or the classes is discussed by is defined by the access modifiers. Okay, so we can change the access level of the fields, constructors, method or class by applying the access modifier on it. Suppose we are creating public int a equal to 2, then this means this variable has maximum accessibility. Okay, this variable has maximum accessibility. Now we are going to discuss what are the access modifiers in Java. Okay, see, the first one is the private. As the name suggests, some variables created within the class and access within that class only is known as the private variables. The access level of the private modifier is only within the class. Remember this word, only within the class, not outside the class. What is default? Default means the access level of the default modifier is only within the package. Remember, the package has more accessibility. In a given package there are multiple classes. So if a variable is created by default, then its accessibility is within all the classes of a given package. Okay, so when you never mention any access modifier, then it is taken as a default. As the name suggests, this is the default. Next, protected. Protected you will learn in the inheritance chapter actually, but for the definition you can learn. Protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. Child class you will learn in the inheritance, because there is a super class and the subclass concept. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग we will discuss about the child class and the accessibility of the protected access modifier. And the maximum accessibility, as the name suggests, public. This, the variables or the fields, constructors created public or being created by using the public keyword have the maximum accessibility. Means it can be accessed within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package also. So this is about the access modifier. We will come again to this topic once we will move on to the programming part. Okay, I have created a table. Just learn this table. See, what is public? Public is accessible within the class, within the package, within subclass and other packages also. What is protected? Within the class, within the same package, access allowed in subclass also, but not in other packages. Default, access allowed within same package but not in the subclass also. Private is a least accessibility, means it is allowed with only within the class, not even in the subclasses or the other classes of a given packages. Okay, I hope it is okay. Okay, so let's keep the things over here only. Now we are going to discuss some topic that we have already discussed in the operator topic. I hope you remember the ternary operator. Okay, so ternary operator, what was there in ternary operator? There are three portions. There is a question mark, there is a colon, true value and false value. Here is the condition. Okay, if you are not known this type of things, just go to the old videos. I think second day or third video was there, where we have discussed about a ternary operator. Then come on to this. So when the condition is true, then it moves to the true part, and if the condition is false, it moves to the false part. Let us discuss about the small example. See, what is n1? What is n1? Tell. n1 is 5. n1 is 5. n2 is 10. Tell, if is n1 is greater than n2? 5 greater than 10? True or false? Obviously false. 5 is not greater than 10. Then where it goes? It goes to the false part. Means it goes to the n2. So what will happen? What is the value in n2? n2 have 10. The 10 is go to the max part. So in the max part, the 10 will be stored. Is it okay? This will be done through the ternary operator, where we are using the three operands, 1, 2nd and 3rd. So ternary operator as a definition wise, where we use the three operand, we are using the ternary operator. Okay. Now let's move to the second part. n equal to 5, n2 equal to 10, and res in another variable which is of integer type. See this type. n1 greater than n2, true or false? Obviously false. 5 is not greater than 10. Then again it will move to the this part. n1 minus n2, what will we do? n2 will be subtracted from m1, matlab 5 minus 10 equal to minus 5. Now minus 5 will be assigned to what? It will be assigned to res variable. So res will store minus 5 value. Okay. First it will check the condition and it will decide where it should go. If the condition is true, then it will move to this part. But since the condition is false, it will move to the third portion. Okay. See the third part. Int a equals 5 less than 2. 5 less than 2 or not? First tell, is it true or false? Obviously false. 5 is greater than 2. So where it will go? It will go to the 30. So 30 will be assigned to what? A. So what is the a value? A value will be printed as 30 only. Okay. Next. 5 greater than 8. True or false? False. But here we have two question marks and two colons. Very important question. First the condition will be checked. It is condition as false. So where it will go? It will go to the part after the colon. So it will reach to this part. See, question mark, true value and the false value. This is the false value. So what is the question now? 2 less than 5, question mark 20 and 30. Now the question is this only. See, question is this only. 2 less than 5, true or false? Obviously true. So it will go where? It will reach to the 20 and 20 will be assigned to A. So A equal to 20. Okay. Now fifth one. Again A equal to 5. But before discussing this question, I am going to discuss some of the values. Okay. In the computers, small a value means 97. In integer, its Unicode is 97, B is 98, and so on. Up to 122 it will reach from to small z. Okay. So 97 for A, 98 for B. This is the Unicode of the small ABCD alphabet. We will discuss this in a Sky code, but for now just take it as a Unicode only. Okay. So why am I telling it to you? Because see this, 5 less greater than 8, obviously false. 5 is not greater than 8. So where it will go? It will go to the B part. So B will be assigned to what? B will be assigned to A. But the problem is A have a data type of what? Int. But B is not an integer value. I hope you remember the data types. B is not an integer value. Only the integer type value will be stored in A. So it will take the Unicode of B. Then what is the Unicode of B? It will be 98. So in A, 98 will be stored. These type of question you will get in exams. Okay. So we have to remember, we have to see this also. What data type is being given. Okay. See this next one. 8 greater than 10. True or false? Obviously false. So where it will go? The third part. 100. Now 100 will be assigned to Z. But again the problem is Z is a character data type. So in Z only character will be stored. 100 is not a character. So 100 is the Unicode of which character? A, B, C, D. Start with 97, 97, 98, 99, 100. So it will be D. In Z, the D will be stored with the single quote. Is it okay to you? So these are the some of the examples in which the working of the ternary operator will work. Okay, I hope you will remember this because this is a very important question. 1 or 2 question you will get in your exams also. Okay, so this is all about today. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends also. Okay, thank you everyone.